Hey, welcome to this week's Steam Culture. Now, over our various years of episodes, we've talked a lot about steam and cooking. We've talked about naturally occurring steam. In fact, we just did an episode on beignets a few weeks ago. But you know, we've done other things like how to cook a cheeseburger using steam, how to reheat pizza using steam, how to make the French baguette. And that means we don't have the good French baguette that we have here.
Not a French baguette. Not a French baguette.
Not a French baguette.
And then also the famed episode, how to steam and cook the perfect hot dog. Now, that has to do with using steam in a little different environment than what we're talking about today. We're actually talking about an oven that uses steam, the steam oven. Now, these are usually found in commercial kitchens, catering services, a lot of them in Europe. Over the years, they've been for professional chefs. Well, maybe you didn't know that now you can get a steam oven in your home. And here's the premise of how they work. So you have a water reservoir, usually in the bottom of the oven with, you can fill it in the side, as you can see in some of these images. And what happens is, as the temperature in the oven gets up to 212 degrees, because it's not a pressurized vessel, so it's atmospheric pressure. So as you reach that 212 degree mark, it starts to make steam. Well, the most effective steam ovens are convection. So that means they have a fan in the back that circulates the air. Well, it also circulates the steam. Now, the reason steam is such a good deal to cook with is that it keeps most of the nutrients, especially in vegetables and proteins. It also helps for bakers create a better crust on the bread, and apparently it's the bomb for reheating food with steam. My mom used to do that on top of the stove, so that's what I thought about. Good idea, Mom. Way ahead of her time. So if you want to get a steam oven for your house, apparently they're available if you can drop $4,000 to $6,000. All right. Maybe I should have not wasted your time and just put the price point up first to see if you wanted to hear about it. But I know there's some rich people out there. You can afford a steam oven. You know what else you can afford to do? Spend some time Googling. Go Google the steam oven and Google us while you're out there. New content each and every week just for you. See you later.